Let's see if Akari can force a set number 5. Marley Smith. Other side to Bino. Mitchum is now looking to take over.
On her way to 30 points. Nasa 7 points pa lang si Isa right now. Their last game against Cream 9, she was the only player in double digits.
Vivi Sharma striking from the middle. Perfect time to go to Althea Franco. And so far, so good for the Flying Titans here.
Kasi nandun na yung connection with Marley Smith and Royce Tubino.
Bia will play setter for Molde. Trying to go cut. Net touch.
She has been the target also of the serves.
Slider. Gotta give it to Bia General. Also some great floor coverage. Saltones, like you said, limited to 1 point. Over received. Mitchum with a put away. Free ball for Akari. Mitchum could not get it to go. And now they go to their percentages.
Same zone for Annie Mitchum.
Alba, give it to the hot hand.
Wala na tayong space sa stat sheet. 27 points for Annie Mitchum. Currently at 2-5, they want to end their season with a 3-5 win-loss record.
How do you stop Annie Mitchum?
There were 2 attackers on the right side. Nandun si Camps Victoria. Nandun din si Annie Mitchum. Nagkagulo sila.
Hindi na gumagamit ng brain cells si Mars. Bigay ko na lang. Ibibigay ko na lang.
Kari is back in the lead.
Marley Smith detonates. Marley Smith, bring it on!
Up high and down hard for either squad.
One more time. One more time.
Ginawang listen.
Short slide, serve. Mars tried to place it. Tobino. What a dig by Wanko. Not there for Saltones. Maddie again. And she hugs the net. Mitchum.
One of the rare times na mapipigilan mo si Annie Mitchum. So you have to celebrate that point.
Cherry Nunag. Solid dig by Laksina. Nunag again. Unsavable.
Now a 3-point lead for the Flying Titans. They're looking good.
And it's been working. Mitchum the slide. Dina Wong says, I'm right here. Tobino with a put away.
She's having the game of her life.
Marley Smith denied. And Choco Mucho will get the point on a net touch.